In this video, we will discuss data representation. Number system. There are four types of number system: binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. In binary, the base will be 2. In octal, the base will be 8. In decimal, the base will be 10. And in hexadecimal, the base will be 16. Computer represent information in different types of data forms, that may be number, character, picture, audio or video. Computer is made up of switches or gates. Each switch has two states, on or off. On is 1 and off is 0. And binary, its base is 2, and octal, the base is 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are there. In decimal, 0 to 9. In hexadecimal, 0 to A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 40 C, D, E, F respectively in hexadecimal system. Binary 0, 1. Decimal number system. Decimal numbers are storing 0 to 9, and 2945 is different from 2495. The place value of 9 in first case is 100 and in second case it is 10. We know the expanded form of 2945 is 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3. 2 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 9 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 4 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 0. It is very easy to use decimal system rather than using binary, octal and hexadecimal system. For that we are using decimal system normally. In binary number system, we are using only two symbols, that is 0 and 1. 1010 base 2 is not equal to 1100 base 2. As we know, computer are made up of series of switches or gates. Each switch has two states, 0 and 1. That is why working with binary number system, in binary number system we are using only 0 and 1. Octal number system, it has 8 symbols, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1743 is different from 7314. Octal and hexadecimal works with lots of symbols. The hexadecimal number system is commonly used to describe the location in computer memory. They are also used in assembly language instructions. To convert a binary number to a decimal or a decimal number to binary, we have to follow some methods. To convert a decimal to a binary, we have to divide it by 2. Here 22 divided by 2 is 11, remainder is 0. 11 divided by 2, remainder is 1 and 5 is the result. 2, if we will divide 5, 2 2s are 4 and 1 will be the remainder. 2 1s are 2 and 0 will be the remainder. Answer will be 10110 base 2. Here, if you will divide 29 by 2, 14 will be the result and 1 will be the remainder. If we will divide 14 by 2, 7 will be the result and 0 will be the remainder. 2 3s are 6 and 1 will be the remainder. 2 1s are 2. We are having question part 1 and also remainder part 1. Answer will be 1 1 101. From bottom to top we have to write 29 base 10 is equal to 11101 base 2. We have to write base 10 and base 1. It is important because by the base only we will be able to know the number system. Age in decimal number system expanded form we are doing. Similarly, we have to do in binary number system also. Suppose the data is 1011 base 2, then the first position from the right will be 2 to the power of 0 and second one will be 2 to the power of 1, third one will be 2 to the power of 2 and fourth one will be 2 to the power of 3. These are the place value of 11 base 10. 11 base 10. In the above example, 1000101 base 2, we have to multiply 1 into 2 to the power of 5 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. As we know, 2 to the power of 0 into 1 is equal to 1 only, because any number to the power of 0 is 1. Here 1 plus 2 to the power of 5 is 32. 2 to the power of 2 into 1 is equal to 4 plus 1. Answer will be 37 base 10. If we want to convert a decimal number to octal, then we have to divide it by 8. Here 22 divided by 8. 8 2 is 16 and 6 is the remainder. Answer will be 26 base 8. We are taking another example. 105 divided by 8. 8 1 is 8 and 25 will be there. 8 3 is 24 and 1 will be the remainder. 8 1 is 8 and 5 will be the remainder. And answer will be 151 base 8. We have to write from bottom to top. And 105 base 10 is equal to 151 base 8. Here we are rechecking also whether we are getting the right result or wrong. You can recheck it. As we know, the position place value of 1 is 8 to the power of 0. Place value of 1 into 64, 5 into 8 plus 1 into 1 is equal to 105 base 10. The rechecking also we can do if you are. Now we will see how to convert a octal number to decimal. The positional powers of 8 is 8 to the power of 2, 8 to the power of 1 and 8 to the power of 0. That is 64, 8 and 1. And the octal number is 357. Then we have to multiply 3 into 64, 5 into 8 plus is equal to 192 plus 40 plus 7, which is equal to 239 base 10. To convert a hexadecimal number to decimal is 25 base 10, and we have to multiply 2 into 16 to the power of 1 plus 5 into 16 to the power of 0. Answer will be 37. To hexadecimal, we have to divide the number by 16. 16 1 is 16 base and Answer will be 22 base 10 is equal to 16 base 16. If you want to convert a decimal to binary, we have to divide it by 2. Decimal to octal, we have to divide it by 8. And decimal to hexadecimal, divide by 16. We have to write 4 times 0 and 4 times 1 in first column, 2 times 0, 2 times 1 in second column, 0, 1, 0, 1 in third column. And for 0, it will be triple times 0. And we can refer this table to convert a binary to octal. 001 is 1, 010 is 2, 000 is 0, 100 is 4, 111 is 7, and 101 is 5. And also we can convert a octal to binary by using this same table. Here 1 is equal to 001, 2 is equal to 010, 0 is equal to 000, 4 is equal to 100, 7 is equal to 111, and 5 is equal to 101. We can convert any binary number to octal or any octal number to binary by using this table. We have to group 3 at a time and we have to convert that group to octal. To convert a hexadecimal number to binary, we can use another table. Here in first column we have to write 8 times 0, 8 times 1. In second column we can write 4 times 0, 4 times 1. In third column we can write 2 times 0, 2 times 1. In fourth column we can write 0, 1, 0, 1. And here for an example we are taking 3D9. 3 is equal to, we can refer to the table, 3 is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, and D is 1, 1, 0, 1, and 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1. We can remove the zeros of left side. We can remove the leading. To add a binary number, we can do 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, which its binary representation is 1, 0. We can put 0 and 1 as carry. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, and 3 plus 10 is equal to 13, and binary conversion of 13 is 1101. We can check like this also. And 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, which is equal to 1, 0. 111, if we will add, it is 3, binary representation is 1, 1, and if we add 4 times 1, it is 4, and binary representation of 4 is 1, 0, 0. Encoding. Computers are designed to work internally with numbers. So, number for each character. There are many ways to do this, which are known as encoding schemes. We will discuss some encoding schemes: ASCII, Unicode, ESCII. And ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and it is a 7-bit code, and 8-bit is used as parity bit. We can have 2 to the power of 7 is equal to 128 codes. 2 types of codes are there. 95 are graphic codes displayable on a console. 33 are control codes, control features of the console or communications channel. Now we will discuss an example. Suppose the message is 100 1000 1000 101 100 1100 101 4 times 0. 100 1000 is equal to 72, which is equal to H capital H. 1,000,101 is equal to 69, which is E. 1,00,1100 is 76. We can refer the ASCII table to get the decimal and binary representation of any code. Indian Scripts Code for Information Interchange is for Indian languages. It is an 8-bit code and 256 characters can be coded. It retains ASCII characters and offers coding of Indian scripts also. 10 Indian languages are coded: Devanagari, Punjabi, Gujarati, Udiya, Bengali, Assami, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam and Tamil. CDSE developed standard for font coding in 1990 called Indian Standards for Font Coding. Now we'll discuss Unicode. Unicode 8, Unicode 16, Unicode 32. It is a worldwide character encoding standard. Its main objective is to enable a single unique character set. It is a unique character set that is capable of supporting all characters from all scripts as well as symbols, and that are commonly utilized for computer processing throughout the world. We will discuss some Unicode schemes. UTF-8, Unicode Transformation Format 8. It is a variable width encoding and each character in Unicode character set. It is 8-bit, called as octet. UTF-8 can use 1 to maximum 6 octets to represent code points depending on their size. UTF-8 is a multi-byte encoding. UTF-32. It is a fixed length encoding that uses exactly 4 bytes to represent all Unicode character set. Symbol $Unicode point is U plus 0024. Binary representation of 0024. 2 is equal to 0010 and 4 is equal to 0100. We have to write from right and rest of the letters we have to put 0. And euro sign, the Unicode code point is 20AC. Binary representation of 2 is 0010. A is 1. C is 1100. We have to write from right and rest of the letters will be 0. Now for example, we are showing dollar and euro sign, the Unicode. Here we can see the dollar sign, its Unicode is 0024. You can see Unicode of any number or symbol. Here the euro sign, Unicode is 20AC. Thank you for watching.